We have been taught that using tags on our videos help us in ranking on Google, and when we use tags, we are easily found on YouTube. Today, I came to tackle the part of tags today, once and for all. You have been asking me about tags. How many tags should I use? Is it wrong to use hashtags? Is it good or not good to use hashtags? So all those questions today, all combined, we are going to look them today, meaning that this is a video that you shouldn't even try to miss out, because if you are looking for growth on YouTube, you are looking for views, even subscribers, all combined, you have to watch this video about tags. So let me tell you something. If you use wrong hashtags on your videos, any video you put on YouTube and you use wrong hashtags, this is what I mean. If you use wrong hashtags, the video on YouTube, let's say it is discovered, and you use the wrong hashtag that are not related to the video that you posted, this means that when someone come to watch your video, they came because of the tag that you placed the other side. When they come and they watch, click on your video, and they find, no, this is not the video I was looking for, they will click off. They are going to click off, and when they click off, immediately this one sends a signal to YouTube that this is not the right video for the audience, and that video is not going to grow. That video is going to be there, it is going to be silent. And if you don't want this, you have to watch this video. Yes, you have to watch this video to know that what are the right tags, and when should I use tags, and when should I not use tags, and which tags should I use, and how many. So this is the what I said. If you use wrong hashtags, the recommendation of your video to other viewers, to the other viewers, it is not going to happen. And no one needs this. So let us think about it. If you have a YouTube channel, you have a videos that you put on the YouTube, you have to make sure that you know what is happening. You know, there are those tags that are used commonly for many channels. Let me say my niche is about growing YouTube. In my niche, I have many tags, and because other people are having tags that are really working. So think about it. When you make a new channel, no one knows you totally, and no one cares to know about you. So we think about making tags to help us to be viewed and discovered. And when it is a new channel and you have a new type of content, the new content that is not on YouTube yet, that means that these videos are not going to be discovered no matter how good they are, no matter how best audience or editing you did. It doesn't matter. Even the editing doesn't matter. What will matter will be that there are those videos that are viable before. You're creating videos that have been on YouTube, meaning that you can take the tags they are using and you use them, and you know those tags are really relatable and they are being searched for. And this one will help you grow up your channel. But using the tags when your channel is very new and you're using new hashtags, you're not going to be found. And when your channel is new, you use wrong hashtags, your channel still is not going to be found. This is what I can say. If you have a WhatsApp phone in your, you have a WhatsApp in your phone, just go, there is a part where it says Meta AI. Use the AI on your WhatsApp. This is a quick one. Just go and use it and ask the AI, give me the tags for my videos. It's about this. It is going to give you the tags that you can even use if you cannot find the tags really for your channel. I don't know if this video is really happening or helping anyone, but the thing is that we have to make sure that when we are going to use tags, they shouldn't be more than 5. 5 hashtags that are really good and relatable to your video equals to growth. And this one will bring audience that you want. Make sure the other era where we use 40 tags, it is really ending. Think about it. You use 40 tags and the video is only one and coming and coming. When they find it is not a good video, they will click off, and that one is not a good sign. So think about it. You have to use 5 tags. People are using 5 tags. I don't know how many tags you're using. So type in the comment section how many tags Sincerely, how many tags are you using on your videos? So I want to know down below, comment down below. I want to know the tags you're using. How many? Where do you get your tags from? Are you copy and pasting or anything? So make sure that the tags you're using, they are keywords. If you can't find the keyword, just go to VIQ. You are going to type in VIQ. Then you just after later, you will see where you put the keywords. It will sort the keyword for you, and it can even give you the tags that are really relatable whenever you're going to post your video. So as a smaller channel, to grow with someone out there. So if you know that you have been using many hashtags, please try to reduce them maximally 5. And if you know that your videos have not been growing, go again, change the tags. Change the tags, change something a little bit, and let your video be pushed again on YouTube. Change a thumbnail, you can change a title, or you make a description and include tags, and we see what's wrong with your videos. If your videos are not growing, there's one thing I can just tell you is that we have a YouTube channel and we have a YouTube group. If you come, you join with us, we learn together. You cannot grow alone. I'm always going to tell you this. I always say you, let's gather, let's gather. Where are you gathering? So the thing is that when I saw that question is becoming many, we created a WhatsApp group where we all gather. So come and we gather. So think about it. Make sure that the tags you're using on your videos, they are really related to your video. So let us see what YouTube says about tags. How many tags should you use, and what does YouTube say about tags? So this is something I'm going to end with. Read it and let us go and do something on our channels. Make sure that on additional note, make sure that your thumbnail is catchy, meaning that it should have bright colors. It should be clickable. And whenever you put a title on your videos, make sure that that title creates curiosity. Someone want to click and see, and afterwards make a good description for your videos. If you don't know how to write that video description, still you can still go to your WhatsApp and you go to where there is AI and ask AI, I need a video description for my video. It is going to give you a description. This is something that I have been using. Please, this is something I have been using and it is working. I don't have the headache to take and get the video description. It does the work, and I do the posting. So think about it. If you know you have been uploading your videos in any other way, not this, so watch this video. You have to make sure that you publish your videos using public, and firstly, it should first premiere. Before you publish a video, make sure that you give YouTube 24 hours to analyze whatever is in your video and know the audience that it is going to send that to. So if you want to understand all that, watch this video. See you next time. Join the group and let us grow together, and this is going to be worth it. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.